Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness apps and breaking down how to build an app like Peloton. With the fitness industry booming and people prioritizing at-home workouts, investing in a Peloton-style app is a game-changer. So, if you're thinking about stepping into this market, stay tuned as we break down the business benefits, development steps, monetization strategies, cost factors, and how to set your app apart from the competition. Let's get started. Business benefits of investing in a Peloton-like app. Wondering if investing in a Peloton-style app is worth it? The answer is a big yes. Here's why. Expanded customer base. Whether beginners, fitness enthusiasts, or professional athletes, a fitness app appeals to a global audience. Recurring revenue, subscription models, in-app purchases, and premium plans generate consistent income. Brand loyalty, offering personalized workouts, nutrition plans, and progress tracking increases user engagement and retention. Partnership opportunities, collaborate with fitness brands, equipment manufacturers, and influencers to boost revenue streams. Data insights, collect user data to improve services, marketing strategies, and app personalization for better customer satisfaction. Step-by-step process for Peloton fitness app development. Here's a structured approach to building your Peloton-like app. Market assessment, study competitors, target audience, and trends to craft a unique strategy. Hire a development team, work with an experienced app development company like Soft to bring your vision to life. Determine the USP, unique selling proposition, identify key differentiators to make your app stand out. Create a user-friendly UX/UI design. Invest in an intuitive, visually appealing interface to enhance user experience. Select monetization models, choose from subscriptions, freemium, ads, and commission-based models. Test and launch, conduct rigorous testing to ensure a bug-free and seamless experience. App maintenance and support, regularly update and optimize your app to keep users engaged. Set your Peloton clone app apart from the competition. To compete with industry leaders, your app needs unique and advanced features. Virtual fitness classes, offer live and pre-recorded workouts for a more interactive experience. Wearable technology integration, sync with smartwatches and fitness trackers for real-time data. Dr. AI Dietitian, integrate AI-powered meal plans and nutrition guidance tailored to users' goals. Health monitoring plan, allow users to track progress, set goals, and stay motivated. Medicine scheduling, enable users to schedule reminders for supplements and medications. Health checkup notifications, encourage users to maintain a holistic wellness routine. Monetization options for Peloton fitness app development. Want to make your fitness app profitable? Here's how. Subscription plans, monthly, quarterly, or yearly plans with premium features. Freemium model, offer a free version with in-app purchases for advanced content. Advertisement revenue, earn by featuring fitness brands, supplements, and sports equipment ads. Affiliate marketing, partner with fitness influencers and brands for affiliate promotions. E-commerce integration, sell workout gear, meal plans, and fitness accessories within the app. Cost breakdown to build a Peloton-like app. Building a Peloton-style fitness app requires strategic investment. Here's a rough estimate. Basic app development, $40,000 to $80,000. Advanced features, live classes, AI integration, wearables support, $80,000 to $150,000. High-end development, custom UI/UX, smart analytics, AR/VR training, $150,000 to $300,000. Factors affecting the Peloton clone app development cost. Several factors impact the overall development cost. App complexity, more features equals higher development costs. Development team, costs vary based on team expertise and region. Technology stack, AI, AR/VR, and machine learning integrations increase expenses. Design and UI/UX, a high-end design requires experienced professionals. Ongoing maintenance, regular updates and customer support add to operational costs. And that's a wrap on how to build an app like Peloton. Investing in a fitness app is a lucrative opportunity, but success depends on unique features, a solid monetization model, and an expert development team. At Soft, we specialize in developing cutting-edge fitness apps that drive business growth and user engagement. If you're ready to bring your Peloton-style app to life, contact us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more app development insights. See you in the next video.